Hello, hope y'all are having a great day. This is Hannah, your jeweler in the woods, and I wanted to show y'all my hemp mark. Now these are multi-page bookmarks that work with a knotted section of hemp and then beaded tassels that work outside your book as decoration, but they also have a purpose. First is your end bead. What this does is it works as a book stopper at the bottom to hold your bookmarks so that it doesn't slide out. I hate it when bookmarks slide out the top of your book and you lose your page. So what this does is it stops it right there. And it's also flat enough so that if you want to put it in your bookcase, it doesn't get caught like some of these other ones do. So you have your decorative tassels, but if you're in the middle of textbooks at school, or if you're working with a Bible, you have multi-page bookmark tassels. So what these do is they go ahead and go into your scripture. So if you're working there, and then you're working there, and so on and so forth. You just go ahead and close the book and you still have your bookmark and your tassels. So if you're choosing your length, that's why I wanted to talk to you today on this. I have a lot of custom orders for these bookmarks for the holidays, and what you want to do is let me know the length of your tassel. That is going to be what goes inside the book for the multi-page mark. And that is what I need to know. So if you just go ahead and take a ruler and you're going to measure from the top of your page, not the outer binding, but the actual pages, just mark from the page to the bottom and let me know that measurement, and that's all I need to know. I'll take care of the rest. You can let me know your custom colors. I have up to 25 custom colors for the hemp marks. I just had a customer order this beautiful brown and orange for her Bible, and I also have purple, which is my favorite color in the whole wide world, which is why I have a purple Bible. So let me know if you're interested. They can be found at jewelerinthewoods.com, or you can text me or call me, and I'd love to work with you on that. Again, these are hemp marks by Jeweler in the Woods. They're made with 100% hemp and glass check beads. Have a great day.